What's going on, everyone? It's JP here from Cryptohobby. Hope you're all having a great day. Wanted to do a quick video today on the new Reddcoin wallet update that just came out. Looked at my Twitter today, and there was about 4 hours ago there was an announcement that Reddcoin had come up with a new version for their wallet. And so if you're not on Twitter following them, I would strongly recommend getting on there. They have a lot of good information, and whenever the updates come out, then they let you know. So if you click on the announcement here, it takes you over to their Reddit page where it has all the information. So the new version of the wallet is 2.0.1.2 and includes a number of fixes and improvements. And they provide a link here for you to go ahead and click on it. So they have lots of other information in this article too. They're launching a support and help desk that they're going to announce soon, and they've also got a partnership with Minecraft, and they're working with a plugin to expand Reddcoin into the Minecraft world. So lots of neat things. But I would go ahead and just click on this link here if you want to get your upgrade, and it'll take you over to this page. So definitely do it that way. Don't search this on Google to try to get these upgrades. You'll end up downloading some malware or something, and they'll steal your coins. So definitely go through this little chain here that I showed you. So you can go ahead and download that. Just pick whichever one of these applies to you, your computer system. So I picked that one and downloaded it. And then before you launch it, go into your Reddcore and do a quick backup, so you can back up your DAT file, your DAT file. You just go to File right here, Backup Wallet. Okay, and then I just place mine on the desktop. And down here, it's going to save it as a DAT file. You want to go ahead and name it Wallet. Don't name it anything else, or it won't recognize it when you try to use it to reinstall, so if you ever need to. So you can save it, and then you saw it popped up right here on my desktop, so it's there. Now you don't need to use it on this installation. When you upgrade, it's not going to mess with your tokens or your coins. It's going to, keep them there. But if anything does go wrong, you've got a backup file right here. And you can also use this backup file if you want to install this wallet on other devices, other computers, or other devices that you have. This DAT file right here, you can use it after you do a fresh install on your new device. You can copy this DAT file onto a USB drive and copy it over to the other computer. I'll show you how to do that in a second. It's very, very simple. So after you've done your backup, you want to shut it down. So you click here and you'll close it down. And so here, let me just do it so you know. Shut it down so it's gone. And then you can come back here. If you've already clicked on this, it'll be down here in your browser or wherever it goes in your computer. You click on this, it will open up an install window, and you just click next, next, and follow the steps. It's very simple. And 1, 2, 3, it's done. And then you will have your new upgraded version of your Reddcoin wallet. I'll go ahead and open mine back up again, my Reddcoin wallet. You have to restart it after the new upgrade goes in. And you can see that right here it's the new version 2.0.1.2. And when it opens up, you'll have the new version. Your coins will be over here. So, if that says 0 for any reason, which I don't think it will, it seems to be working fine. You've always got your backup keys here, your backup file. So I always I've had mine set on lock, so you have to unlock it. I'll unlock mine when I launch the program. And I always just check the box for staking only right here. So I don't want any other. It's the only reason I unlock it is for staking. So I just click OK, and then this will light up down here when it's ready. And there it goes. Yeah. So that's it. We got the new version. Hopefully it'll fix any bugs that it had before. And for for those that want to know how to install this onto another device, I can show you real quick. It's very easy. The file that we used over here, the backup file, I can show you where you can find that. So what you would do is you're going to install, you go to your new device and you install this Reddcoin upgraded version, this the wallet, and then of course it'll say 0 over here because it doesn't know on the new device that you have anything in there. So what you do on the new device is you follow this path right here, because you're searching for this file and you want to replace it with your backup file, the other one that we just created. So obviously you'd put that one on a USB drive to transfer it over to the new device. But this is where it's located. You go to C/user/whatever your username is. I don't know what yours is. Mine is Jim, but yours will say something different there. And then appdata/roaming/Reddcoin, and that's where this file is. So I'll walk you through that real quick. On your new computer, you'll go from C, you click on that, to users, double click. Okay, your username, mine's Jim, so yours will say something different here. Click on that. Alright, now app data is the next one, see? But it's not on here. So if yours doesn't show on here, then you need to go to view, go to show hide, and click hidden items first, and app data will show up there. And also while you're at it, just click file name and extensions for now. You can unclick that if it gets in the way later, but so there's app data. So we double click on that, it opens. Now you got your roaming, which is the next one, roaming. Okay, click on that, and then you go down and search for Reddcoin, which is the last one, and it's in alphabetical order usually. So Reddcoin, and there it is, wallet.dat. So on your new device, this will be empty, it'll be blank. So what you'll do is you will take your backup wallet.dat and you'll just delete this one or overwrite it, either one. Save it here and it'll say, do you want to replace? You say yes, or just delete this and move the copy of this one into this folder. Once you do that, when you launch Reddcoin on your new device, your balance will be there. Yay! So that's it. It's very simple. And if you look at Reddcoin real quick, we'll just look at the coin market cap. It's at 0.012. I think I got in it at 0.008 or something, and then it shot way up, and then it's back down again. But this coin is going places. It's not going anywhere. It does have a high circulating supply, but it's not going anywhere. It's going to be a good one. It is a good one, and one to keep an eye on. But anyway, I hope this helps out. As I say in all my videos, I'm not trying to give anybody any financial advice, just trying to help you to do some things, and if I can give you some tips or tricks on how to do these things, then that's what I want to do. So I hope you like the video. If you do, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification button and hit the like button. The like button helps out, and so we'll be doing a lot of these videos, tutorials and things like that for you. So that's great. I hope you all have a great day. Thank you very much.